eBay sort of quietly rolled out a new feature recently that I think is wonderful. A lot of people will promote this as being a time-saving feature. Not me. I will promote it as being a time-making feature. This changes everything. I've received some feedback in the group, especially the Facebook group. You all ought to be a member of the Facebook group. It's free. You can quit anytime. But if you just stay here on YouTube, that's fine. Click subscribe. You know how everyone wants you to subscribe? That's so that you can see whenever new videos appear, you'll get notices. But in addition to just seeing more of me, if you wanted to, I don't know why you wouldn't want to see more of me. In addition to that, you will get other videos like mine that teach you advanced eBay techniques. Why in the world do you want to waste time with advanced techniques? It's to make advanced money, advanced sales. It's to make more and more money. That's why you're doing this. I want you to maximize every ounce of eBay. eBay's a hidden jewel. It doesn't take very much to throw up an eBay listing. It takes a lot to put up a listing that dominates against all who try to sell against you. And that's the only purpose of this group, how to dominate. Every single time a buyer searches for something, how do your items get higher in that search rank? That's our big goal. Without that, it doesn't matter how good your listing is if you can't get high in the search. So you want to be high in the search, and then you want to convert the customer. That's why we're here. That's the purpose of this group, to make you more money. No, to dominate eBay. That's the purpose. Because your competitors, people trying to sell against you, they want to dominate you. So you have to have a tiger's desire to win eBay. I want to instill that in you. I showed you a blow away how to send offers video a few weeks ago. It was called The Best Way to Send Offers. And in that video, you learned something that you have never heard anyone else on earth in the history of the universe ever say about offers. I teach you exactly how to send offers, exactly when to send offers, and it just blows away anything you were doing before. eBay just made things better. You still need what's in that video. I promise you still need it to see the reasoning of what I'm about to show you. How important are offers? Here's just a sample, one of my selling accounts, just a sample showing you that offers comprise 50% of my sales. In the last 30 days, in this account, 50% of my sales were from offers that I initiated, that I sent people, or that they sent me an offer that I accepted or countered and then accepted. You know the process. Offers are the best selling tool eBay has given us in a long time. I think they're better than promoted listings, and I really am big on promoted listings on every single item that you sell. But back to offers, half my sales came from an offer that was initiated by me or my buyer. So will yours if you do what I say. Would I have sold those items without the offers? If I did not allow offers on 100% of my items, and I always allow offers on 100% of my items, and so should you allow offers on 100% of your items. If I hadn't allowed that, if I had 0 offers allowed, would I have made those very same sales? The answer is we don't know, but we do know half my sales came from offers. That's a powerful message that offers sell items. Maybe those same buyers would have bought from me without the offer. Maybe, probably some would have. We just don't know which ones. That's the thing. We don't know, and I don't care. If offers bring in half my sales, hallelujah, I'm making offers as easy as I can on me and my buyers. I want offers to be allowed on my items at least because I want to dominate on the things I'm selling. Go to your seller hub in eBay, click the marketing tab, and you're going to see a marketing summary like this. It may have more numbers, it may have fewer. This is an account where I've got 471 active things going, promotions going of some kind. But we are interested in one little section of this screen, and this is very easy to do. There's nothing hard about what I'm going to show you, and it's automated offers right here. With automated offers, we no longer have to get up at 3:30 or 4 a.m. and send offers. Now, probably not one of you have started doing that after I told you I do that back in that video, The Best Way to Send Offers, and I justified why I do that. I think it's resulted in a lot of sales I wouldn't have gotten if I woke up when God intended people to wake up and had my coffee and sauntered into the computer and looked at what offers I could send. I know I've made a lot more money because I send offers early, and I tell you exactly why that happens. It keeps other sellers from being able to grab your buyers. So be sure and watch the best way to send offers. That's a prerequisite, but this is the keys to the kingdom here. You go to automated offer, and what eBay's going to do is take over everything for us from this point forward. eBay's going to say, you want to always send offers of a certain percent off? Great. We'll just automate that for you. eBay says, you don't want to do it for your whole inventory. You want more control, but maybe there's an eBay category such as athletic shoes that you always want to send an offer on automatically without interceding or changing the offer at all. We'll allow that. What if you have an eBay store and you have store categories that you've set up that differ from eBay's categories? They will. What if you want to send offers just to your ladies' shoes, just on that one category? eBay says, just let us do this. If you know what offer you would send in advance, usually we have a feeling of what we do. We kind of get used to sending offers. eBay says, look, if you can give me a percent off, I'm just going to always send offers the moment I can. That means the moment someone watches an item, or the moment someone looks at an item more than once, or whatever eBay's algorithm is to allow an offer for that buyer and that item. Sometimes I think eBay doesn't really tell us the exact formula, but probably if someone adds it to their watch list, probably if someone looks at an item more than once, and probably if someone looks at an item long enough but doesn't buy, and eBay will add to your send offers list and allow you to send an offer to that person. Now, we don't usually know who we're sending an offer to whenever eBay just says, you've got 12 offers available to send. We don't know the buyer name, but that's okay. We just send those offers. eBay says, we'll take care of all that. You never have to send an offer again if you don't want to. We will do it for you. I don't know that I want 100% of my inventory always being offered by eBay, but I sure want a lot of it. I'm tired of sending offers if eBay will do it for me. So what you do is you send automated offers. This is so easy. This is not going to save us time. It's going to make us time. Do you want to send offers on your entire inventory? Maybe. I guarantee you your life will be easier as an eBay seller if you do. You'll just never have to send an offer again. There's a lot to be said for that. What if you said, well, I don't know that I want to send 21% off on everything, or whatever your percentage is, 17% off, 10% off, whatever you normally do. I think you should generally send more than 5 to 8% of an offer. I think you should hit like 12 to 20 to 21%, 12 to 21, 13 to 21, something about odd numbers. If you use a percentage, your buyer says 13% off, 17% off, 21% off. I think that looks good, and buyers respond to that. I don't have any proof. That's just a little anecdotal gut feeling that I have from some experience and from some testing. Do you want to send offers to all your inventory? If you do, that means every category of every item that I sell, but you can limit the price. Maybe you just want to send offers on items $50 and above, and you can just click apply. You don't have, or we'll just say $9.99, okay? And you just create a price range. Anything lower than that, you don't have eBay send offers for. I don't know. I want to sell my $10 items 5 times faster than I want to sell my $50 items. So I'm happy to do it on my entire inventory, but you don't have to. So you can erase that price range if you want. Or you can say, no, I want to ship to certain eBay categories. These are categories of eBay. Whenever you list an item, it says, what category do you want it in? Collectible, whatever. So you can choose an eBay category and just go through all the categories that you're selling in at the time. And they're high-level categories. Collectibles. You can't get down to glassware. You can just say collectibles, and everything that falls under that blanket collectibles eBay category in your inventory. Only those items will be sent offers by eBay for you day and night, whether you're sleeping or not. You never have to send an offer again on your collectibles. This is so sweet. This is going to give us more time in the day to list more items and make a lot more money. And we're going to sell a lot more too, because I know a lot of you don't send offers as religiously as I do, but you should, and I prove it in the best way to send offers. You need to watch this. I like store categories the best. Now, if you go eBay categories, you can still not only choose a category, you can control the price range. Maybe you only want offers $4 to $21. Maybe you want offers done by eBay automatically just to get rid of your low-end stuff. Just get them out of your hair. You're tired of messing with them. That's okay. There are reasons to do low price range, high price range in inventory, whatever you want. You can go to store categories. So whatever your store categories are, and you're just going to see a whole list of them. And once again, thanks eBay for not alphabetizing these. It just makes it so hard to find our categories. Come on, eBay. Why don't you do this simple little thing for us? Let's go down. I don't know. Maybe I'll do women's clothing. Okay, women's clothing. And notice a 1 appears. If I did men's clothing, a 2 appears. The number is just the number of categories, not the number of items within each category. Well, I don't think I have a lot of items in women's clothing right now. eBay, from now on, take over my ladies' clothing. Any price range, I don't care. I just want eBay take over. I no longer manually ever have to send an offer again. The moment an item is available to have an offer sent to a certain buyer, eBay will just take care of that for you. It will beat all other sellers trying to compete against you who don't have automated offers set up. All I want is to go get my money. I don't want another competitor to have my money. I want my money. eBay, thank you for going after offers for me so I don't have to mess with it. This is a powerful and amazingly simple screen. I already showed you how to do a certain price range within your category or categories, but you can also exclude specific listings. So I think I've only got like 10 items. If you click exclude listings, what you can do is enter item numbers. Just copy and paste the 12-digit item number of any listings you don't want eBay to send offers for you on. Maybe you're really close on your profit margin and you just can't seem to sell it at a price that's going to make you a lot of money. You don't want eBay to send an offer to make it even worse. To be honest, if you're in that boat, you're paying too much for your items. You're not doing comparables right when you buy items. And if this has been in inventory for a while and you just have to lose some to get it sold and out of your way, I don't know. Get rid of it. Let eBay make an offer. Let eBay offer offers for you on your behalf on those items too. There's virtually no reason not to allow offers on everything that you sell. And that reason, very low profit margin, is the reason I usually hear for not wanting offers on everything, and might be a wrong attitude. Your attitude might be, I need to get rid of these low margin items. Just get them out of here. And I need to focus on sourcing better items. I'm not going to exclude anything, but if I did, I would click this arrow and I would copy and paste the 12-digit, those long numbers that go with every item, called an item number. Copy and paste every one here that I want to exclude. Call this something. Buyer group name. eBay has buyer groups. This is a way to generate one. If you don't know what an eBay group is, don't worry about it, but it's used in marketing campaigns. Interested in clothing, women's. I'm going to call it Women's Clothing Automated Offers. That's what I'm going to call it. That's going to be the name for this that I am creating for eBay to take over for me. So I've set up, I want automated offers. I've said I want it on this one category just to show you how it works. I really want it on most or all my categories. You can exclude and then you name it and now you review. This is nice. It's telling me I told you I thought I only had about 10 items on this, in this account. Yeah, this is my personal account. I've only got about, I thought 10 items in ladies' clothing. This says 15 items in ladies' clothing. Okay, good. So this will apply to all 15 items. Now, I did have it scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll see the important button, okay? Review offer. That was way down there. Otherwise, if you don't see, what do I click now? How do I go to the next screen? Well, just scroll a little bit and there's the review. Review offer. How much do you want? How much do you want to give? Or that's the only option. Percentage off. I'm going to say 21%. I like 21%. I pay virtually nothing for almost everything that I go out and source. I just create money out of thin air. I don't make money on eBay. I create it. I don't believe in paying $15 to sell a $25 item. That to me is risking a lot of money. Because maybe I did the comp wrong. $10 is a low margin when you pay $15 for an item. I'd rather see you pay a quarter, 50 cents, a dollar, $2, even $5 for items that you're going to sell for $15 to $100. That's what we stress in this group. That's what I show you how to do. You know the message if you watched how to send an offer. The message is this. I'm going to replace this and I'm going to use my world-class abbreviate. I've already told you about abbreviate a bunch of times. Abbreviate, a great keyboard shortener. I type OFR F8 and it says this. We wanted to give you and a few other buyers. Notice I'm creating FOMO, fear of missing out. You mean this is being sent to other people? I don't know, maybe. The chance to get, because we don't have any control over who it goes to, only eBay does. We wanted to give you and a few other buyers the chance to get this gem. I always call things gems, unless they're actual gems, and I usually say something else. We wanted to give you and a few other buyers the chance to get this gem for much less. This offer helps us free up some space, and the offer will last. More FOMO, more fear of missing out, more fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FOMO, fear of missing out. Those are important concepts for any time you sell something. They only have 48 hours, I'm telling them, to do this offer. This offer will last for about 48 hours. Use it or lose it, people. And remember, these are buyers that have looked at one of our items more than once, or looked at an item for a while, or put it in their watch list. They've shown an interest in every item they get offers for. Allow counter offers. How long do I want this to last? Well, right now, it's the 16th of July, okay? Do I want it to last until January? Okay, I'm okay to let it last forever. You can always go in and just delete it, but I just want eBay. Thank you, eBay, for making me extra time so I don't have to do this. I'm going to click launch and eBay's going to take off. Congrats on your first automated offer. Now, in this account, I've been holding off turning offers on everything automatically because I knew I was going to make you this video. I'm going to go back and just add it to everything of mine. You don't have to. I've shown you how to whittle it down to certain things. You can monitor, engage, and create more automated offers in marketing buyers groups. Okay, I'll check it out later. Done. I now have, and you will have new groups if you've created them in the past, buyer groups. You'll now have one called Women's Clothing Automated Offers, and eBay is going to work for you. I will not get a ladies' clothing offer again until this runs out on January of 2025. I'm so happy, Pappy. I have more time. When I wake up at 3:30 in the morning, I won't have to send an offer to any buyer that's shown an interest in any ladies' clothing item that I have under this selling account because eBay's already done it for me. eBay's already locked my competition out of my buyers. eBay's competition will not be able to send my buyers their offers for at least 48 hours. And I explain that in how to send offers. You need to watch that next. I promise. You need to. It will explain a lot of reasoning, and it will show you why what eBay just gave us here is a tremendous money-making and time-making gift.